Hi, I'm Sharmila. I am the founder of Earth and Wellness Ayurveda in Bangalore. Today, I wanted to share with you a few tips in terms of how you can boost your immunity very, very effectively and very, very easily. And more importantly, I wanted to share with you today the importance of turmeric in your day to day diet. Turmeric is in Ayurveda is the most important immunity booster. We Indians have been using turmeric in our diet from age immemorial. All our Indian recipes have a lot of turmeric, incorporated into them, and there has been a reason why our elders and even our shastras have recommended the usage of turmeric so extensively in not just our diet but also in some of the ritualistic ceremonies that we perform. So I just want to share with you a simple tip in terms of how you can boost your immunity by including turmeric in your diet. And this can be achieved by preparing something called a turmeric milk, also known as a golden milk. And how do you prepare this? Very simple. All you need to do is take a tablespoon of the turmeric powder and mix it in 250 ml of lukewarm milk and add another tablespoon of honey and stir all this together and have this milk, also known as the golden milk, at least 2 or 3 times a day. If you have been having a lot of coffee, if you have been having a lot of tea, please cut down this. Please cut down the caffeine intake in your diet and instead substitute it with this golden milk or turmeric milk. The benefits are immense, and this is the most important time where we need to boost our immunity. Nothing else matters. We just need to boost our immunity, and turmeric milk is a sure shot immunity booster, and it's a very simple way in which we can boost our immunity. Just want to run through the importance of turmeric and why it is important in our day to day lifestyle. First of all, turmeric contains a lot of bioactive compounds with very, very powerful medicational properties. This is proved and this is tested and this has been validated, not just in Ayurveda but also in other non-Ayurvedic usages as well. Turmeric also has a lot of anti-inflammatory components in it. It also increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. And what antioxidation does is it pretty much fights off any form of cancerous cells that tries to attack the body. The continuous usage of turmeric is also known to reduce lower the risk of brain-related diseases. Most importantly, it boosts up your immunity. So it actually activates the body in terms of fighting off all kinds of viruses, all kinds of bacteria. This is one of the most natural mechanisms that the body can actually take and fight in a fight in terms of its retaliation, in terms of retaliation towards viruses. Turmeric is also known to reduce heart diseases. It, as I said, because it's an antioxidant, it also prevents cancer. And there are some scientific theories which also tilt towards the fact that turmeric could also be used in terms of treating Alzheimer's, arthritis, and also in terms of fighting of depression. So it's really good in terms of boosting up, all the right chemicals in terms of your thinking, and to ensure that you stay focused and you stay calm. And it also helps in delaying aging and fighting age-related chronic diseases. So cannot emphasize more in terms of the importance of turmeric. So please start using turmeric a lot in your diet, and most importantly, use it in the form that I prescribed to you, which is having it as a golden milk. Thank you so much.